look at the hardware refresh reporting. So Michelle had mentioned when she was talking earlier, from a marketing perspective, what's important to you guys. Me, with my boots on the ground, working with you guys every day, I understand how important it is to have a locked down refresh process. And we've been implementing that quite frequently over the past couple of months. So I wanted to put something out of box in our system that is going to provide instant value for our customers. The first one here is the hardware refresh forecast. So what we did was we automated the creation of the hardware refresh date based on when the asset is received. So if your and I did this for a couple of customers that are on this call, so I hope it's working out well for you. I think it will be. The first thing it's going to do is it's going to populate that refresh date. And then we built reports that show you by year what assets need to be replaced or refreshed each year. And this can be as simple as just populating that field with a flat 4 years every time after a refresh, or it can be by model. You can say that if it's server class, I want the refresh date to be 5 years. If it's computer class, I want it to be 3 years. If it's a monitor, I want it to be. We can dynamically make those changes automated in the background so that your refresh date is as specific to a hardware model as you want it to be, or it could be generic. It's always going to be a 5-year process, right? It's whatever you need. But then what it does is it builds your forecast for you, and you can break it down, and I can look and see, okay, I have 215 assets that need to be replaced next year, but how much is that going to cost me? So we've got a cost breakdown that parallels that refresh forecast that shows you for 2025, when come August or September of 24, when it's time to build your 25 budget, you open this dashboard and you take a look at it, and it's going to give you what your number is. This is the number that you need to spend next year. You need to put in that budget line item that this is what I need to spend for 25 if we're going to follow our refresh policy. So it's powerful, it's easy, and it's something that I think a lot of customers are going to get some great value out of.